After you think this, he says. So then he said, right, we'll block the steps off, and we'll get a gate there, and you'll have a code to get in, so only you can get in this end. I went, oh, that's better. He said, I'm really sorry. He said, I didn't know the bus stop was right there. Well, it's probably because they've seen it go down Waterton. So they probably thought it were coming on. Yeah, oh yeah, big time. But they're sorting it out now, so that's good. I turned around to them and said, see, I told you I'd get my own way. But there was no... Exactly. Yeah. It makes it harder for us. There's, where the guest room is, that's going to be the room for the scooters. Mobility scooters. Oh yeah. Hang on. So the guest room we've got now, that's going to be for the scooter room. The men's toilets is going to be the hairdressers. The ground floor flat. The ground floor. Oh, what's his name? Oh, the warden's flat, ground floor. That's going to be the sauna. Right, and ladies' toilets. And then the flat upstairs, which is the warden's, that's going to be made into 2 flats. Yeah, that's going to be made into 2 flats because it's big enough to be made into 2 flats. But you should see the layout. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. And the front entrance is going to be all these tile floors. Oh, lovely. And out the back here, where we are, that path, there's a fire door. That's going to be an access for us to get in from this block. Otherwise, we'd have to walk all the way round. Because we can't, we can come the other way, it doesn't matter, but they're going to do it like that.